In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison between Fyxer AI and its top competitors to help you decide which tool truly earns a spot in your workflow. Fyxer is well regarded for its dual functionality, combining a meeting note-taker with an AI inbox organizer directly within Gmail and Outlook. It features a trainable AI engine that uses your custom documents to draft replies in your specific voice. However, our comparison highlights some significant trade-offs. While Fyxer is easy to use, it suffers from rigid organization because you cannot create custom categories. Even more concerning for growing teams are the hidden fees. Users often face extra charges if their email volume exceeds certain limits. With entry-level monthly pricing starting at $30 for just one inbox, many power users find it too restrictive. In contrast, an alternative like Gemelius offers far more advanced configurable automation and enterprise-grade security from day one. While Fyxer provides solid AI drafting and summarization, competitors like Superhuman, Missive, and Front offer more specialized features for keyboard-heavy workflows or omnichannel team collaboration. Fyxer is a strong choice if you want a simple, unified app for notes and mail, but if you need scalability without overage charges and more granular control over your folders, a more flexible alternative is likely a better investment. We hope this comparison helps you find the perfect AI assistant for your specific business needs. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more productivity tech reviews. Let us know in the comments which email tool you are currently using.